Hello and welcome. I'm Tajbir, the founder of Samya Wellness. Samya was born from my own healing journey and from what I witnessed again and again while guiding others. Through yoga, I saw how often practices just stayed on the mat, movement without integration into daily life. And in Ayurveda, I noticed a profound system of self-understanding slowly becoming yet another set of prescriptions instead of teaching people how to listen to their own bodies. What was missing was connection. Samya is a Sanskrit word meaning balance, not perfection, but relationship. Living in conversation with your body, your breath, and your inner rhythms. Here on this channel, I share ancient wisdom from yoga, Ayurveda, astrology, and mindful living as an integrated way of life, gently translated for modern times. Not trends or quick fixes, but tools you can actually live by. If you feel called to slow down, to understand yourself more deeply, and to stop outsourcing your well-being, then you're in the right place. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.